Hello and welcome to another one of my director's cuts. This is the Three Scots, the Black Watch. They are parading down Edinburgh's Royal Mile on Remembrance Sunday 2018. The tune represents a mixture of the Atholl Highlanders and the Steamboat. To the fiddle at the front there with the mace is the drum major, and he'll bring this first pair of tunes to a halt pretty soon by raising the mace in the air. This is Edinburgh's Royal Mile now. It's full of gift shops like Heritage of Scotland across there that sell all your kind of Scottish items. Colloquially known as tat. This tune is the Green Hills of Tyrol, or the Scottish Soldier. That's the High Court that we're passing directly behind them now. You can see there's been all these barriers put up to stop terrorist attacks. We're approaching St Giles Cathedral. Unfortunately this year I got stuck on the wrong side of the road. I really should have been on the other side of the road because you don't get as good a view of the Remembrance Day service from the St Giles Cathedral as you do from outside of the city chambers. A lot of people ask me, what height are you? Well, I'm only 5'10", but I use a monopod. I've got my Panasonic Lumix DMC-FZ 2000s what I'm kind of using just now. So there's the drum major indicating that this tune is coming to an end. does not let up from when he starts. He just beats all the way down the march. Unfortunately, he collapsed during the Remembrance service right at the start of the minute's silence. Just felt like a pack of cards. The Pipe Major told me he's okay. So this is Edinburgh City Chambers, where the annual Remembrance service for Scotland takes place. So you've got the veterans there in front, and they march down with the Royal Regiment of Scotland band, who you can see in the grey uniforms. Not those grey uniforms, because that's the army. During the Remembrance service, 3 Scots, the Black Watch, the 3rd Battalion, the Royal Regiment of Scotland, play the Green Hills of Tyrol, or a Scottish soldier. Again, those with keen eyesight will notice that the bass drummer has been replaced by one of the side drummers following his collapse. Now, unfortunately, this is one of the songs that is copyrighted by YouTube's content ID system, and if I don't talk over it to a degree, this whole video will get blocked worldwide because of this tune. Don't quite know what we're going to end up doing about that, but it's definitely a big problem. It's not as though I can ask them, please don't play the copyrighted tunes. So that's Mercat Cross on the right, where the camera is up high. Again, this is Edinburgh's Royal Mile, and we're right outside of the City Chambers, where the annual Remembrance service is taking place. So the Remembrance service is finished, and the Black Watch are now parading back up to the castle, because it took me a wee while to get out from where I was because of the crowds. I'm catching up, not bad. The streets aren't that busy at all. This tune's Highland Laddie. It's another one that Content ID will block. We have Scotland the Brave, and we also have, mixed in with Scotland the Brave, obviously, we have the Black Bear. Content ID is quite hot in those two as well now, sadly. So with my droning Scottish voice. Look at those cobbles. They're really difficult to walk on when they're wet, especially with the taggedy boots. This is the Black Bear. Brilliant at the tattoo when 12 bands are doing that as one. It's called the Mass Pipes and Drums. This is a little roundabout just down from the castle, so if you went left down there you could go down Johnson Terrace. That's the way the bands come out at the end of the tattoo. They come down there and they swing round and head down Johnson Terrace to the waiting buses. This bit just coming up here. The there's some foreign tourists right beside the Pipe Major James, who's over at the left hand side there with 3 stripes, so he's actually a pipe sergeant. He just shoulder charges them out the way. It's quite funny. These guys are pucker soldiers, musicians part-time, soldiers full-time. What's this? Get out of the way! The Black Watch are coming through. Scotland the Brave, of course. Scottish whisky experience there. Get a nice half in there. Expensive, mind you. Edinburgh is a dear old £5 a pint. Back to the Black Bear. Yeah. So now we've reached the Edinburgh Castle Esplanade. So I like to try and get the castle in the shot. It's kind of iconic. Here it comes. This is where the annual tattoo takes place. The seats have all been taken down. This is November, of course. So it takes 6 months to put them up and 6 months to take them back down. So come November they're away. It's August the annual tattoo takes place. It didn't take place in 2020 because of the COVID-19. They're telling me it's going to take place in 2021, but I'm expecting that to get cancelled. I think it'll be 2022 before we see that back. Anyway, I don't need to talk over this anymore, so I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of it, and thanks very much for watching. Cheers.
Pull out the officers! To your duties! Forward!